Hello everyone. Today I'm going to prepare Rajma Masala. So I took 2 cups of Rajma, soaked it in water for 6 hours, and now we can drain the excess water and let's cook it in a pressure cooker. Add sufficient water. So make sure the water level is way above Rajma, and I'm adding half teaspoon of salt. Close it with the lid. And let it cook for 3 whistles on a medium flame. And in the meantime, we can prepare the gravy. So adding 2 tablespoons of oil. So once the oil is hot, adding 2 onion cut into small pieces. So have to fry the onions until they turn light brown in color. So the onions are fried. Now I'm adding ginger and garlic. And let's fry for a couple of minutes. So after 2 minutes, I'm adding 2 tomatoes cut into small pieces. And let's cook the tomatoes for 5 more minutes. So the tomato is also cooked. Now I'm adding salt, chilli powder, coriander powder, little garam masala powder, turmeric powder also, and mix them well and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes now. So it's been 4 minutes. Now we can turn off the heat, and then I'm adding few cashew nuts. Now let it cool down. Now we are going to grind it in a mixer jar and prepare like a puree. So I took everything to a mixer jar and add sufficient water, and now we can grind it like a puree. So the puree is ready. Now we can keep this aside. And now coming back to Rajma, after 3 whistles I have turned off the heat and the pressure got settled. So the Rajma is also cooked well. So now we can keep this aside and don't drain the water. Keep it. We can use it while cooking. Now I'm taking a new vessel. Just add 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm adding small cinnamon stick and 1 bay leaf, little cumin seeds, 1 green chilli, and now we can add the puree. Mix it well and let it cook for 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes. Now we can add the Rajma with the water. Just mix it well. And now we can close it with the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes on a low flame. So it's been 10 minutes. Our Rajma cooked well, and also as you can see the oil started floating. Now I'm going to add methi leaves. Just crush it and add them. Just mix them well. And adding little butter and little coriander leaves. Just mix them and our Rajma Masala is ready. So there's our Rajma Masala, guys. So please give it a try, and thanks for watching.